What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Bright Showers dual shower head combo. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this shower head, including one thing that I think that you should know before buying. So first off, my wife and I got this dual shower head combo because we were looking to replace this, which is a Delta. It wasn't a cheap shower head, but generally speaking, the water pressure just wasn't that good. So we wanted something that gave us some variability there for our guests. And this is the one that we decided on, and so far we've been really happy with it. So first off, let's talk a little bit about the aesthetics. So overall, a very nice looking shower head. I mean, I know it's just a shower head, but I like that they have the black with the chrome. It looks sleek, it looks really good inside of the bathroom. Just something that looks nice overall. You can see that they have the dial in the middle there, which I'll show you how it works in a minute. But they have the dial in the middle to adjust the main shower head there, the big one, and then they also have this little switch here to adjust this one if need be. Now, before I actually show you in action, the install is super easy to do, guys. So you're gonna get this one hose right here, right? You just connect it to here and you connect it to here. So that's just by hand, you can do that. The only other thing you have to do is you have to connect it right here to the main water line, right? That's easy to do. You just put a little bit of the plumber's tape right here, and then you screw it on. You can use pliers and everything. I actually didn't have to use pliers. I just used my hands and it's not leaking. So that's definitely a good sign. So that said, let me go ahead and put this thing in action to show you how it works. Okay, so this is the main setting here. As you can see, a lot of water coming out on all the little small hoses all the way across and all the way across here. So that's the first version that you can use in terms of setting this up. Next, you can see here, I turned the dial a little bit and we have the high pressure setting. These are a lot higher pressure compared to the other ones that are there. Basically just giving you the option if people want to have high pressure as well. And now this one is all the way down, you actually have high pressure over here, right? So this gives you the option if you want to use it to, spray your body, whatever you need to do, or if you need to clean, which is what my wife likes, you can do that. And then to change the setting here, you can do this, which is another softer type of water as well. So those are really the main four settings to this shower head. So yeah, that's how the shower head works. Now, a few things to know before you buy, things that I think are important. So right here, this is the one, this setting right here controls the wand, right? We have this setting here, which controls these, right, to shoot out the water. And then we have this setting here, which shoots out the water in these main ones here. The one thing I don't like about this is that it doesn't actually say what anything does, right? A little bit of annoying that it doesn't have that, but it was kind of a big deal for us because, giving guests the opportunity. I think now at least, they'll be able to mess with it, but we have had one guest that was basically like, well, this isn't working. Why isn't this working? They think this is the on and off button, and no, you have to switch this first to make that work. But overall, I will say that our guests have been very happy with this. They really like the fact that they can use the wand for the high pressure if they need to, and that this has the high pressure option. That's been helpful. I just wish that they would have labeled this somehow or given people kind of an idea, but they didn't. But yeah, it's doing really well. It hasn't gotten clogged or anything like that. So yeah, definitely positive for us so far. And if you decide to get it, we hope that you enjoy it as much as we do.